Hi, Penny.
Hi.
What are you doing here tonight?
She's gonna have a sleepover and play date at my house.
Well, I asked her, but thank you. Okay, open up the baggies.
What? Oh my gosh. Don't be so excited.
You're excited.
Hi, friend. We're sisters. Hey, see your cute.
What else you got in there?
Crayons.
What do you think that's for?
Coloring.
That giant picture of Ariel right there? Probably.
What is this?
What is that? Those are a bunch of stickers. What is that for? What else is in there?
For? What are these?
Those are bracelets that you get to decorate with the stickers.
Yay!
We have some too.
We're gonna decorate. Nothing else.
Nope, that's it.
Yep.
And then you can use these ones to decorate your bracelets as well.
Yay.
So yay! Entertainment! Are you excited?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Have fun.
Okay.
Bye.